Hi guys, so we're currently in my Airbnb. This place is super clean. I really enjoy this place, honestly, and everyone else that stayed here has really enjoyed it, except for my friend here that gave us a 1-star review. I'm gonna go into the details of that in a minute. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Robert. Today I'm going to go over a few things that I'm pretty sure most hosts won't want to go over with you guys on YouTube or in general, just because it has a lot to do with their egos. And this channel is, you know, I'm making this for you guys, all these videos. You know, I'm making these all for you so you guys can learn from my mistakes, learn from what I've done wrong, and you guys can fix it when you go out and do it yourselves. I'm gonna share with you a bad review today. And this review, you know, the worst review we've ever gotten at our listing. I don't know why. I guess it's another thing, you know, you can expect getting involved with this business. So just to give you guys a little backstory here, the property that I'm using, I'm doing rental arbitrage, and the property is not mine. I'm not gonna put any money into it, obviously, because it's not my property. And so what that leaves me with is an older property that just gets bad reviews. I wouldn't say bad reviews, it doesn't get the best reviews because it is older, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean today. And if you are going to use the rental arbitrage method, this is something you can't avoid. I mean, you can move into a property that is newer, per se, and that would help you avoid this issue. But the issue that I have today, and I'm going to share with you guys, you know, it kind of hurts, and it's done a lot to destroy what we had going with our business. So we were superhost, my fiance and I. We had a listing. You know, we were doing great because we obviously knew what we were doing. We knew what to expect, getting involved. And when we started, we made sure we did everything right from the start. And that led us to become superhost very quickly. Like we got to the rank of superhost relatively fast. All that means that we had all 5-star reviews, and we just qualified. And what happens when you're a superhost, your SEO and your ranking is higher on the Airbnb website, so your property pops up a lot faster than it would if you're not a superhost, or if you have bad reviews, because obviously they want to promote their best properties. Airbnb wants to promote their best properties right off the bat, and you know, we were doing really well. Everything was going, you know, how it should have been, and we were killing it, honestly. We literally got the worst review ever. It was a 1-star review out of 5 stars. And I'm gonna break down this review with you guys and just sort of show you why I think it's not fair that this is allowed to happen. I don't know what was going on with this guy, like why he was so unpleased with our property, because everyone else, literally everyone else, was just obviously 5-star satisfied with what we were providing them. And it's one of those things that kind of sucks, but there's nothing I can do about it ultimately. I reported this guy's review simply because it's just ridiculous, and I'll show you guys why once we get to the property. Alright guys, I just pulled up at the Airbnb, and I'm going to go in there and show you guys the problem, the reason this guest complained. What had happened, another guest broke one of the box springs, and now I'm stuck with a broken box spring. So what do you guys think? Should I report it? Should I report it to Airbnb? Is that what you guys think is the best solution here? Oh, look at that. All right. So I believe this is the first time any of you guys are seeing this place. But this is what you get. Overall, the place is nice. It smells good. It's a clean place. Like I said, it's an older property. And what I mean by older, it's just like it was built a long time ago. That's literally it. There's literally nothing I can do about this place being older. Alright guys, so we're currently in my Airbnb. This place is super clean. I really enjoy this place, honestly, and everyone else that stayed here has really enjoyed it, except for my friend here that gave us a 1-star review. I'm gonna go into the details of that in a minute. Right now I'm gonna show you what one of the guests that we had stay. He stayed about 2 months ago. They broke our box spring, and I'm gonna show you the damages here. So this board on this box spring is broken, as you guys can see. It's completely cracked, and you know that I guess led to an unpleasant stay for this guy that gave us a 1-star review. I understand, you know, he probably had an unpleasant night's rest on the box spring, and that may have led him to say what all he had to say. But regardless, this guy's review took us down from superhost status, and we're no longer superhosts. Our rating has gone down to 4.6 from 5. This is something that is inevitable, unfortunately, and there's nothing I could do right now in this situation. Except for right now I'm trying to find a way to improve the property so that we can get our rating back to 5 stars. So now I'm left actually trying to go out of my way and find things, and I mean, it seems like to me that I have everything that I possibly could as a host. I'm here to tell you guys that it's not going to be all sunshine and rainbows the whole time. You know, with this business you have to cater to people's expectations. And when you do that, unfortunately, not everyone will be pleased with what you have to offer. Okay, so I'm going to read the review of our most recent guest. This guy has caused us a whole lot of trouble. As far as, you know, we're not Superhost anymore, I mentioned that, and just it pretty much hurts our listing overall. You know, you want 5 stars regardless because of the SEO ranking, because of Airbnb promoting your property. Just it's better overall for business. Alyssa's house had a layout that was just like the pictures. However, it was incredibly overpriced for what the house was actually like. This was not the best Airbnb experience I have had. The beds were very uncomfortable and felt as if they were very old with concaves in the middle. The house had a very odd humid smell that was very uncomfortable to be in. The amenities such as the water, coffee, and tea were not useful as there were no cups to use to actually drink from. I would not recommend this home, not even just for sleeping. This guy is just making stuff up at this point because we clearly have every amenity you can imagine. And I don't know like what he's trying to do here. He just literally said that we had no cups for coffee, which is super, that's like just a straight up lie. And he rated us a 1-star for the value of this place, and a 2-star for the accuracy of the listing description, and a 3-star for the location. Like, I mean, location is something that he already knew what he was gonna like book, right? Like, why would he even, I don't know, at this point I feel like he was just trying to hurt us. And obviously the concaves, I addressed that. You know, the bed was broken, the box spring is broken, and so there's not much I could have done in that case. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking around for the whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm working actively to fix the situation, and I want to make it better. I may just have to move into my next property and just, you know, figure that out. This property, like, it tends to get not the best reviews because it is older, and we keep this place in tip-top shape. But like I said, you can't really clean old out of a property. There's just gonna have to be something that they have to anticipate, which probably includes why he mentioned the smell and stuff like that. But I think it smells fine. Everyone else has been super okay with the place. Like, there's nothing that I can do about it. With that being said, guys, thank you, and smash the like button, hit subscribe, and the notification bell to know when I upload my next videos. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.